Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Saki Does Stuff Toys and Collectibles channel. The channel where I buy toys and unbox them in front of people, and sometimes we build cool little things like Johnny Five here. Anyways, we are going to unbox the Masters of the Universe Origins Rio Blast. And I did not have this character in the vintage line when I was a kid. So I'm really excited to check this guy out. First of all, we'll check out the awesome artwork as all Masters of the Universe packaging has. Looks like we got Modulok. He's fighting Modulok and Grizzlor. And are they at the Fright Zone or something? I don't know. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's Castle Grayskull for all I know. I don't know. But, yeah, it's got the awesome slip cover because it was a Creations purchase. And let's just go ahead and let's get into it here. We'll just put that card art there for everybody to kind of move it over here. Well, yeah, maybe not that far because the light is it's a little reflective. And we got a mini comic here. Now, let's check that out. Star Marshal. And maybe this will be the first comic, I think, with my new setup here. So maybe it'll be a little easier for people to look at. Bring it up closer. And we'll open it up, and I'll try to keep my fingers out of the way. Try not to get it. There we go. Gotta turn it that way so it don't shine. And you can pause it and read it if you want. Now, there we have that. Masters of the Universe. Cool. Yeah, I think that probably was a little bit better than the old camera setup for showing the comics. And I don't know, did they always... Is it just the Creations one come with the little slipcover here? I can't remember. It's been so long since I did one of those. And we got... my dog here there. I have a few dogs. There we go. The instructions kind of show how to put his backpack on and everything. Looks like it kind of pegs in there. Assembly instructions. And let's get into this. Like I said, I never had this character as a kid, so oh no, we need the scissors. That's how long it's been since I've done a figure unboxing. I forgot to grab the scissors. I think in every video I do so far have done, it's taken me a while to get everything ready. You'd think I'd have that all done before I push play, but now let's try not to scratch him. Where's a good place to cut? Don't cut his thumb off. There we go. That hand is free. Oh, that's cool. Little blaster flips up there. I think we'll do the same thing on the other side because that seemed to have worked out pretty decent. Nope, it's a bit tighter. We're going to have to go on the other side of the thumb. There we go. So that's both arms free. And I think I'm going to flip them in just so I don't break them off here for now. Do you have one around the neck? Nope. We do have the ones around the feet, the ankles, I should say. So we'll just kind of position our scissors there. There we go. Put that in the garbage can here, and all right, get out of there. Oh, still holding on. There we go. Oh, awesome. And that, I need to plug his little pipe, goes back in his arm here. And then it just came out of his back. Right there. And there must be another one right there. It's right in front of your face. And plug it into the arm. Like so. And into... It's kind of limited range when you... They pop out pretty easy. Or is it supposed to be this way? No, this one came like that. Obviously not pressing it in far enough. Consult the directions. Looks like the angled piece should be, yeah, at the arm like it was. There we go. Yeah, with that though, he's limited because if you move his arm upward... No, his arm fell off. Well, that's not cool. Nah, it plugs back in. Calm down. Okay, let's see if I can do this right this time. Maybe turn it. It does have all the normal Origins articulation. I seem to be having difficulties plugging the pipes back in. Yeah, they want to pop back out. I'm sure I'm not doing something right. It almost seems like... No, it is showing that little part going into the back. Okay. Well, we'll just do it like that for now. Like I said, it's got all the bendy spots that all the other ones have. Really tight ankles on this guy. But yeah, that's cool. Alright, let's get his backpack out. There's a laser thingy. Take a closer look. Oh, it's stuck through there like that. Okay. Get the garbage out of here again. Is the card all shiny? Nope, we're good. And then this has a couple plugs that just plug into his back, it looks like. Or, oh, I see. You go at an angle, and then you turn it like that. That's how it goes. There we have that. All right. How does this guy work again? Like I said, I never had him in the vintage line. By the time Rio Blast came out, I think me and my brother had went from Masters to when Ninja Turtles came out. It was pretty much the last toy that we played with before we got older. Got out of playing with toys. Anyways, we got this. Flips out. We got that one. Flip this one out. And his knees come down. And there's the little blasters in his kneecaps. Like that. And then his chest is supposed to open up. And he's got the blaster there. Look at that. He's packing. I don't know if I'd mess with this guy. Unless these pipes are feeding the ammunition, then this side's disabled right now. I'm sure I can get them to plug in. They'll probably plug in tighter once I mess with it a little more. You know. But there we go. Rio Blast. And I think, doesn't this... Because on the card back, right there, it shows this goes on his head. Does this do something? It looks like it slides forward. Oh yeah, it does. Look at this stuff. Yep, slide it up and... Oh no! Look at this now. Now I gotta plug this in. Get the full effect. I think it's that these are kind of short, and if the arm's not in a certain position, then they tend to pop out. But yeah, there we go. Rio Blast. Awesome. That's how I'm going to display him too. But we'll get him up to the camera here and do the circle. Like so. Yeah, you can see they just kind of... I'll have to maybe reposition his arms, like I said, and then they'll stay in. Yeah, if you move it down a little bit, that's better. But I'll mess with it. I'm not really forcing them in the holes either, so... There we go, Rio Blast. Masters of the Universe Origins. Yeah, I'm going to display him just like that. That's going to be awesome. And not like that, but you get the idea. I almost, it came out of the box that way, I'm sure, but I'm not too sure it ain't supposed to be like this. Let's just do that for once. No, they don't really peg into that very well. But that's the way I might display it, though. Seems to hold in better that way. I don't know. I think I'm going to display it like that. Because, as you can see, I'm sure that's how it came out of the package, but I could be wrong. They seem to fit in better this way, though. So yeah, that's the way I'm going to display mine, whether it's right or wrong. I like that better. And there's always, it could have came from the factory, switched around too, you never know. It does look like the way it came, though, is the way the instructions are, though, don't it? Opposite of the way I have it right now. Either way, no, he's a cool figure. I really like that. I was excited to get him. And I did get my Modulok in. And that's probably the next Masters one I'm going to unbox. And then I also have Hero coming, so excited about that. That actually shipped. I should see that in the next few days. But, yeah. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. And we'll see you guys next time.